National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Forsyth County, northeastern Davidson County, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles north of Thomasville, or 7 miles west of High Point, moving west at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Winston-Salem, High Point, Lexington, Thomasville, Clemens, Arcadia, and Welcome. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Davidson and Forsyth.